Hey everyone, we're here today to unbox the Plasti-Bond PVC-coated repair kit. This is an awesome tool you can use to repair minor damage to in-surface Plasti-Bond PVC-coated conduit. The kit includes all the materials you need to prepare and apply the UL-recognized 2-part epoxy patch. Let's take a look at what's inside the tube. The first item in our PVC coating repair kit is the instruction sheet. Next, we have the emery cloth, which is used to rough up the damaged area. You will then take the enclosed alcohol wipe to clean the damaged area. There is also a cotton cloth in the kit to dry the surface. Next, we have our patch compound syringe. You will squeeze out equal parts of the epoxy mixture onto the mixing board that is enclosed in the kit. The mixing stick is used to mix the compound together. There is also a putty knife included in the kit that is used to apply the blended compound to the damaged area. Thank you for joining us for this repair kit unboxing video.